welcome to another episode of
What TV?
It's me, Reg.
My name is Wilson.
I'm Jojo.
And today we're going to react to another Beanie song. But
Yes.
this time it's going to be a live performance during the most recent KCON in LA. Yeah, I think this was during the pre-show back in June, if I'm not mistaken.
June.
Yes.
Anong title ng song?
The title of the song is Cherry on Top.
Hindi ko pa ito naririnig, bagong song.
It's, if I'm not mistaken, ito yung pinaka-latest nila na song. Na
Okay.
single.
First time ko itong maririnig yung song na to.
Ayan. Well, ako, narinig ko na to and it's one of my favorites. So, curious ako kung ano yung magiging reaction ng
Ako first time.
Pero,
Pero hindi ko pa napapanood yung live nila.
Ayun. Oh,
Sa
okay.
KCON.
So, iba kasi yung experience pag live eh.
Yes.
Okay.
So, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Alright.
My presence is a poison. Talking French, I keep you guessing. Know you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate you with me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar all up. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, I'm so very rainbow cotton candy. It's a flower, chip and Jonah, oh, I'm just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
I'm the sight for sorry eyes. One look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco light. I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got you clutching the pearls. 'Cause you know who run the world.
Every day,
Every day.
celebrate you with me. Yeah.
Every day. It's your birthday on repeat. Birthday on repeat. Yeah.
If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY. Good ingredients are hard to find. CHERRY. There's no going back, no, once you try. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY. Good ingredients are hard to find.
Diba?
Galing.
Tapos na ba yan?
Ay, paano ba yung Gen Z heart?
Tapos na ba yan? Yan na yan.
Tapos na yun. Yung kanta. Ano lang yun,
Okay.
kasi concert siya, so may mga kuda-kuda pa sila dyan.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But that was the performance on their new single, Cherry on Top. Okay? Ayun.
Anong concert of KCON? What's KCON?
It's a concert na puro mga K-pop artists.
Talaga. In
So,
LA?
in-invite sila in LA,
Okay.
This is
In
their
the US?
in the US. So, this is their first concert as in abroad.
Pero guest lang sila dito?
Yeah.
Okay. So, performance sila.
Galing.
Guest performance. Okay?
Oo. So imagine, parang for me first time nila na ang audience nila dito international. Diba? So it's really such a big thing
Yeah, for them.
for them.
Like, tsaka yung
It's a
genre
huge
ng
thing.
music naman, yung kinanta nila. Actually, yung vibe niya, ano siya eh, para siyang pop R&B. Ganun ko siya nakikita, na parang international hit or
Yes.
level.
International yung
Yung
dating.
caliber ng
Oo.
song. Ganun ko siya nakikita.
Ako naman para siyang loungy type of
Mix nga rin ng modern eh.
probably it's because of the beats that they used. 'Di ba? Medyo may pagka-subtle
Yes.
and so parang may
Gets.
pwede siyang lounge na
R&B.
R&B ganun. But it's a cool music,
It's such a catchy song.
Catchy
Yes.
song.
And it's,
I agree.
madaling pakinggan.
oo, tsaka pwede talaga to pang international.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, English. Pero hindi pa rin, for me, hindi pa rin nawawala din yung pagka-Pinoy eh.
Nandun pa rin yung
Nandun pa rin
signature
yung-
nila, no?
Yung
Yes.
touch ng
Signature
Pinoy.
ng
Oo.
Beanie.
Oo.
And
Tsaka impressed din ako, very very impressed ako sa kanila because the way ewan ko lang ha, pero yung diction kasi nila dito parang pronunciation, diction and everything, kasi English, diba?
on point.
Sobrang on point. Parang na-break nila yung cringe.
Na.
Nag-gets niyo ba ako?
Yes.
Na-break nila yung
Ah,
cringe.
Or sa madaling sabi yung trying hard.
Hindi sila trying
Hindi trying
hard.
hard. Para siyang
Natural.
Natural
Correct.
yung natural yung
Good
dating
job, good
talaga.
job. Oo, ang galing diba?
Yes.
Kumbaga parang, ka-level na nila yung mga
International pop
na
groups.
pop groups, yeah. Kasi
Nakikipagsabayan.
high quality eh.
Oo,
High quality.
Tsaka, nare-recognize na tayo, di ba? Para ma-invite ka
Oo.
dito sa prestigious concert na, alam mo yan, puro ganito.
At alam nyo ba, nakikipag-collab na sila sa ibang mga K-pop artists, like in Hypen.
Ah,
Meron
talaga?
silang collaboration,
Wow.
yes!
Wow.
Wow, sobrang excited
Okay.
ako.
Ang
makita
bilis,
yan. Oo.
sobrang bilis nila. Promise.
Actually nga ang bilis
Ang bilis.
talagang
Nang aangat ng
Oo,
bini, no?
pag-angat
Oo.
nila, sobrang bilis. Parang
Yun nga eh.
inasnap eh, no?
Kasi wala talagang cringe.
Oo.
Na-break nila yun. So parang natanggap sila kaagad.
Oo.
For
Grabe.
me. For me.
Tsaka a lot of yung mga age range appreciate their music. You can hear in the Philippines kasi like one time nag-grab ako. One time pinapaayos ko yung sasakyan. Nag-grab ako. Si Kuya driver, siguro mga nasa ano siya, feeling ko mga nasa early 30s lang siya.
Okay.
Ang playlist niya Bini.
Talaga?
Oo.
So, walang pinipili ang ano nito.
Wala.
Male, female, kahit anong age range or
Tapos-
age group.
Oo.
Oo.
Yung
Actually,
anak ng
wala.
office mate ko. Bini din.
Ah.
Girl.
Yeah.
naman. Oo. Anak ng office mate ko.
Hindi mo sasabihin
Pati
mga
yung
youth
office
lang,
mate
no?
ko na lalaki na din.
Ah.
Bini na din.
Yes. Oo. Actually, marami ang nakita sa TikTok na nagre-react sila sa sa Beanie. Mga lalaki to ha. Tapos meron sila mga kani-kanilang bias.
Yeah.
Oo.
Saka ma-appeal din kasi talaga sila. Malalakas yung appeal nila. And how they dance. Ang galing nila.
Choreography
Yung
is
choreography
really
nila,
on point.
yung moves nila.
Sobrang solid
Sobrang
ng
smooth.
Oo. So,
Tsaka yung harmony. Biruin mo ha, well actually dito sa concert na to kulang sila ng isa. Wala yung leader nila, si Joanna.
ako lang ba sila
So 7 lang sila dito na nag-perform.
Okay.
Pero yung harmony nila, ang hirap ka na kaya na ang dami nyo.
Oo.
Ang dami nyo, tapos pag may isang nawala, di ba?
Yes.
Challenging yun.
Kasi iba-ibang parts eh.
And yet,
Na-execute nila na maayos.
Oo.
Kahit gano'n.
You have
Sure.
your own parts to sing, di ba? Tapos iba-iba pa ng areglo, di ba? So, galing. Oo.
tapos gusto ko dito yung part ni Aya ng C-H-E-R-R. Ewan ko ba, pero parang yung part na yun, ay nako, music to my ears talaga. Ang galing-galing ni Aya dito.
Magaling
Tsaka,
sila lahat.
magaling sila lahat, yes.
Pero yun yung gusto mong part
Gusto ko yung part na yun, parang sobrang cute.
Ah.
Actually, lahat sila cute. Si Manoy, si Colette, Si Mika. Cute si Mika. Actually,
Question,
lahat sila.
Ano
Si
pangalan
Gwen.
nung nandito sa pinaka-right side, yung ang taas ng boses? Ano pangalan?
Hala. Sino
Ah, siya ba
yun?
yung mataas na
Oh, yung naka-red.
Ito?
Ito, yung nasa baba.
Maloy.
Ah, siya ba yung...
Ano siya eh, main vocalist.
Ah,
Si
okay.
Maloy.
Okay.
Nag-stand out lang sa akin. Pero lahat sila magaling.
Oo.
Pero,
Siya yung
Magaling yan.
high parts.
Yes.
nag-stand out siya.
Lahat sila magaling actually.
Okay.
Yun. Ayan sila, 7. O,
7,
diba?
no? Hindi ko na malayo na 7 na sila kasi alam ko 8 sila eh.
Yes, 8 dapat sila. Wala si Joanna dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, comment down below kung alam nyo
Mm.
kung bakit. Yun lang.
Excited ako mapakinggan pa yung iba nilang songs.
Yes, marami pa. Hindi pa natin nare-react yung...
Yeah, kasi
Oo nga eh.
Iba
mga
eh.
ano pa lang kami, mga bago pa lang kami in terms of the music of Beanie. So, and it's interesting to really explore yung mga iba pa nilang songs kasi syempre, ang dami talaga nakaka-appreciate sa kanila ngayon eh.
Tignan nyo rin naman yung costume nila. Yung outfit
Yeah,
nila.
they're-
Ang so cute.
Yeah. Oo.
Tsaka napansin ko rin sa lahat ng mga performance nila, talagang on point lagi yung mga outfitan nila eh. Ang galing talaga ng kung sino man yung
Stylist.
stylist nila. I forgot her name. Basta I follow her on IG na eh. I just forgot the name. Pero ang galing ha, ang galing.
Ang cute
Sobrang
nila.
cute and may flair pa din, may unique flair pa din. Diba? Yun lang. So ito si Colette, ito si Gwen, ito si Aya, si Maloy, si Mika, tapos si Sheena and si Stacy. Si Sheena yung
Siya pala yun.
Okay.
Oo. Yun lang. Anything else that you would like to add before we end this
Ako
video?
sobrang excited ako na mapakinggan yung iba pa nilang songs.
But then,
Yes.
I'm looking forward to the next reactions that we're gonna do for them.
And I'm actually also excited and hopefully, you know, in the future, makapanood ako ng concert nila dito sa Philippines. And sana tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang success.
Yes.
Diba?
And ma-recognize pa sila.
Oo.
Mas ma-recognize pa sila
And I hope they get
worldwide.
I hope they also get to collab with more, you know, artists.
Yes.
Pinoy Pride.
Oo. Ang alam ko, nakapag-collab na rin sila with ano, ni SB19.
Meron
Oh
sila.
my God!
Meron sila. Alam ko meron ha kasi
Parang nakita ko nga yun.
narinig ko yun eh.
Nakita ko ngayon pa,
Nakita
pero parang
ko
excerpt
yun.
lang yung nakita ko.
Oo nga, yun din yung akin.
Yun.
Yeah.
Pero excited ako makita yun.
Ang galing,
I
nakaka-excite.
heard na meron din. Meron.
Sige, let's explore
In the
that.
future we'll do that.
Ah.
So, you know.
Yeah. Alright, so there you have it.
Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and of course, comment down below ano ba sa tingin nyo. Gusto namin malaman ng insights ninyo para sa kanta nilang to, lalo na bagong-bago or fresh, newly released. And kung meron kayong mga recommendations na video na gusto nyo i-react
Ng
namin,
Beanie.
Yeah.
comment down below.
Yes, and don't forget to also follow us sa mga social media namin. Everything is in the description and then we'll see you again in our next video. Maraming salamat! Mag-i naman tayo.
Ganyan
Paano
ba?
ba?
Ganyan!
Ganyan, okay.
Ganyan.
Eh.
3, 2, 1.
Yay! Siya pala yun. Okay.